out of the M7, Michael Miller. And the 69X, we got Scott Stuckey. Following him, Suicide Awareness, 11W, Larry Woodward. The 78R, Ryan Smith. And we got number 34X, Zachary Seacrest. All behind him, the 34 and a quarter. We have Josiah Kenyon. 34K. Rick Klein. The number 14X of Nathaniel Johnson. We have all 8 out. Let's hope these guys can clear the track up for us. 4, 3, 2, 1, go drivers! W is stuck on track. 2 here. 78R Ryan Smith, the 14X. Nathaniel Johnson battling out. It sounds like the 14X is put into limp mode. You're done. 14X just trying to get into the nail on the Johnson. Hey, I think you're in limp mode. 70 air with a nice shot right on the rest. Red flag, drivers, red flag, red flag. Hold it up, red flag. Red flag. Red. Second place going to 14. Next got word, your Mad Dog driver is the 34X, Zach Secret.
Yeah, it's the first one for the box.
Yeah, probably. Good, ain't got none of Wallers.